Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Kawasaki engine fans. On your Kawasaki's, a lot of you guys with the FH series and FR and FS series, you break the fans and the housings and then you try to reorder them. There's one major thing that you guys need to do in enable us to order them from Kawasaki. The reason why we need the numbers off your engine is because the EPA has regulated these engines from the manufacturer. They track every single engine that's been made, and particularly older engines for emission. In order for us to order these from Kawasaki, we need the model, spec, and code number, and that needs to be transmitted to Kawasaki. They won't even let us order them unless we have them. So a lot of that information is these numbers right on the front here. So this is an FR 730V AS07. So once we send that to Kawasaki, they produce the covering for you and they'll send it out. So when you're placing the order for these on the website, please send us that information in the note, and that way we can speed the process up for you. Otherwise, we're just going to email you and say, hey, we need the number. If you have any other questions about Kawasaki parts, contact us at 800-305-9255.